What we're doing, we got the 350 Legend Savage Axis 16-inch barrel. We're going to be at 100 yards. We're going to just see the difference in grouping between the two. So everything's the same rifle, same angle, same everything. The only thing that's different is the ammunition here. So y'all stay tuned and see how these two group together. Okie doke. We're doing just a comparison between the Hornady and the Winchester's 350 Legend 100-yard groups, just seeing how they group. Nothing special, nothing to it. Just gonna put 3 down range and then put 3 down range again. Apparently the bullseye was the flyer, which, that's a conundrum. I'm in a pickle. Do I say the bullseye was on, or is the bullseye the flyer? Now for the Winchester on this fine windy day. Alright, here we go. We'll get them targets back to the table and we'll take it from there because I'm not going to walk down. I got other stuff to do. We'll look at it back at the house. Alright, here we go. Got the targets back and this is what we're looking at 100 yards. We got the Hornady whitetail right here, American whitetail, and we got the Winchester power points right here. As you can see, they are, I mean, if you turn it like that, they're almost identical right there. So that's what we're looking at. And if you're ever going to have a flyer, it's always good to have the flyer on the bull. But if you just take these two right here, center to center, about a ½ inch. And then center to center, that's actually looks like that's a little bit closer. 4 or 5 right there. Then if you throw in, let's just go right in between those two. Right about there. 177. So we're looking at under 2 inches for the American whitetail. And we're looking at 1, 2, 3, just over an inch and a quarter on the Winchesters. I mean, they're both, I mean, yeah, the Winchesters held it together just a little bit tighter than the American whitetail, so that's a good deal. If you're wondering, that is a comparison between the two bullets. So there you go. They almost came out identical. I mean, that's crazy, but thanks for watching.